I know that when people are saying something important, it's like if I had the time, Nadine, you said, well, I can't say my reaction in so many words, or you said some version of that. When I asked you what your reaction was, you said, well, it's hard to say. See, that's a marker that it's right there for you. But it takes time to turn your attention to it, to be able to find words for it. You can't just off the top of your head say what it is. And I am alert to that in almost all my interactions of when people are, and I say, are experiencing a lot. That's my best description for this thing that you're calling energy, Nadine. When they are in touch with something for which they can't easily translate into words. And my awareness of that, I change instantly. When I hear that, I know we're with, now I'm going to use conventional words, we're with creation right here. This is a, now I'm going to go way beyond, this is a spiritual experience here. When I can be with this person where they are in the trouble that they're having speaking right now, I am with something that Marshall called, in my belief, called connecting with life. And that experience is always life-giving for me, as well as I believe for the other person.